Motors are used in vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and power tools. A carbon brush is used as a part that supplies electricity while sliding on the rotating body of a motor. Carbon is used because of its self-lubricating and electricity-conducting properties. There are also metallic brushes that contain copper or silver to conduct more electricity. They are used in a wide range of applications, from small motors used in house appliances to motors for industrial equipment such as steel, rubber, and paper.